Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. So Dollar Tree is going up on their prices on a few of the items. Like today, when I went to, I was at this Dollar Tree on 49th Street in West New York. They breads was $1.50. The ramen noodles are going up to $1.75. The For You pans are going up to, I believe, is $1.50. But in good news, okay, I thought when people was saying, "Oh, the prices was going up," I thought the prices was going up. Like people was talking like the prices was going up to like $10 or so. Although Dollar Tree do have some items that's $10. The good news is that some of the items are going to be reduced back down to $1. Okay, so some of the items that was $1.25, they're gonna go back to being $1. They are going up on their prices, okay? But from the grapevine, okay, it's not like a huge jump or anything like that. So, yeah, I love me some Dollar Tree. Yes, I love me some Dollar Tree and a place to be. Then I got more tea. I said, I got more tea. Honey, if you thought I didn't have more tea, you was sleeping on me. And I don't like to be slept on. So let's get into it. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely delivering for you and me, you ain't gonna believe what they have. I cannot make this up. So you guys know, just in case if you don't, I used to shop at Whole Foods a lot. And Whole Food sellers, okay, Elmhurst. Child, when I seen this, I had to ask the store manager, was this correct? Okay, this is $1.25. You talking about the best of the best milk, plant-based milk. Child, Elmhurst is definitely where it's at, okay? Now, at Whole Foods, I believe they want like $6 or $7. It could be even more now, okay? But these are creamers. Child, looky, cookie. So when I seen this, I said, Elmhurst, why? Okay, child, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me. They have the cashew creamer, and at Whole Foods they had the cashew milk, okay? These are all dairy-free, plant-based, sweet cream blended with oat milk. Child, I cannot make this up. I am so excited. Honey, I came out today, all right? Cashew creamer blended with oats and milk. Oh, that's this one is unsweetened. This one is the sweet cream. And caramel brulee. Child, creamer. Now, I'm like, is Dollar Tree gonna bring the actual milk here? Because all it is a creamer, child. But these are really good for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Listen. They want me to cut up in here. They want me to cut up. That's what they want. They want me to cut up in here. That's what they want. That's what they want. That's what I keep getting, okay? Let me just show you. Let me show you. Okay, so Dollar Tree really want me to cut up. Look at this, the aromatherapy under eye mask. Child from We Well. 5 vanilla sandalwood mask. Child, please, okay? Come on now, okay? You get 5 of these for $1.25. Look at the packaging, child. It's the packaging for me, $1.25. Oh, now, let me tell you something. Honey, have you seen these? Okay, this is LA Colors. Okay, lip balm, shea butter lip balm. Honey, get into it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree said nourishing formula with shea butter, sheer transparent, $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield, cruelty free. And not only do they have this one, but Dollar Tree is gonna give you the selections. They okay with me? Get into it. All right, so Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Now, Dollar Tree also have the sheer transparent. Now, all of these are pretty much sheer transparent. They have the orange one. They also have the pink looking one. All right, and then they also have this light pink, and then they also have the yellow at the top. These are $1.25. Now, honey, one thing about Dollar Tree, honey, you gotta come to the Dollar Tree because they'll sneak some items up on you, child. Now, Dollar Tree have the lip liner. Oh, look, the sharpener included, child. Two shades. All right. Ooh, child, matte finish. Now, you girls know I love me a good matte. Okay. Now, they also have this one to do lip liner as well, same as that concept, child. And look, so on this side, I guess is like the red, like that matte finish, and then on this side, all right, wait, hold on, child. So this is the fill in, and this is the line, okay? So this is like the lipstick, and this is like the lip liner. Child, Dollar Tree is doing it for the ones and twos and threes. Oh. Now, you know I got more tea. I said, you know I got more tea. Honey, if you thought I didn't have more tea, you was sleeping on me. And I don't like to be slept on. So let's get into it. Tree has some more LA colors. Now, this is the Otto's, honey, you see, I'm so excited. The words, honey, words, okay? Shadow stick. This is the LA Colors shadow stick. This is the color Fashionista. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, honey, this is purple. Okay, they also have the black one, Groovy. Okay, not moody, but groovy. Dollar Tree said. Now let me tell you something. If you around here acting moody, you better do like Dollar Tree and get groovy. All right. Now this one is black and it's a matte finish. No sharpener needed. Child. Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. Now they have this green, and you guys know I'm a greens girl. All right. Look at this green. Honey, oh, child, they also have the white in a place to be. Now, this is intuition. Now, listen, you know I'm going to say something about the intuition. You guys better listen to your intuition. You walking around here don't know which way is up because you ain't listening to your intuition. Now, this is a matte finish as well and no sharpener needed. $1.25. Dollar Tree is straight up delivering for you and me. Now, they also have the Gimme Kitty Kiss Blackberry scented lip gloss, $1.25. But okay, they also have, hold on, child, because these boxes over here. They also have the eye markers over here, smudge proof, child, from LA Colors. Now, this color is brown, and then they also have the black one up here. That's $1.25. Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Honey, they doing it for you and me, okay? Now, they also have the Shea Butter lipstick, new, $1.25. And then they also have the Pink Rose Shea Butter lipstick, $1.25. And then the Deep Mawu, I think. They don't give me the lie. $1.25. Now, I heard some of you girls, okay, some of you fancies, you was looking for the loose eyeshadow. Dollar Tree definitely has it. Now, let me tell you something, okay, fancy ones? If the Dollar Tree that you go to or that's near your house, they don't have these items, try going to a Dollar Tree that's probably the next town over. Take a weekend trip, okay, honey? Get out that comfort zone, okay? The comfort zone is the deadly zone. Now, Dollar Tree has the Grape Jelly, Sunshine, Snow White, and then they also have Radiant. Okay, honey, get into it. Now, Dollar Tree also have the face and body wipes, Paradise Breeze. Now, let me tell you something about these wipes. Now, this, oh, child, notes of black, amber, plum, and vanilla woods. When they had these wipes last time, it was the notes of pistachio. Oh, my goodness. That package, the wipes, they smelled is so good. Dirty wipes for $1.25. Now, I haven't tried these. This is cruelty free, dye free, paraben free, sulfate free, vegan. Child, when I tell you Dollar Tree is delivering, and this word to the mother and the brother, they have a whole box here. You better come on down to Dollar Tree. When the last time you been to Dollar Tree? Child, I got some more tea. Now, Dollar Tree Also have this personal care moisturizing shave oil, Wildflowers pH balance. This is $1.25. It is specially formulated to improve the contact between your skin and razor for a smooth shave without nicks, cuts, and irritation. Enriched with valuable oils for the skin such as argan, jojoba, shea, and grapeseed experience. Hydrated and nourished silky skin with pleasant scent of Wildflowers. Child. And I think that they had this out probably since Friday or something, because honey, they only got a few of these left, about 4. Now, Dollar Tree also have these nails. Check these nails out. These are 7 nails, press and go. You get 12 pieces for $1.25. They also have these 12 pieces for $1.25 as well. The 7 nails. And then they also have these, the blue and the light pink, 12 pieces for $1.25. These are really, really cute. I like these with the gold, child, styling, and definitely profiling. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better. Honey, once you think twice. All right? Remember, things change when you change. Now, could you change? Absolutely. It doesn't matter exactly where you are at this here moment, health, finances, relationship. Honey, those things can change, because you can change. You have free will, the ability to choose whatever it is that you want. But that does not exempt you from these laws of this here universe. Now, today, we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. And congrats to us, okay, on hitting 9,000 subs. Ciao! Okay, we put the work in. All right? I thank each and every one of you guys for whether sharing the videos, giving the video a thumbs up, whether commenting on the video, sending me some super chats. I appreciate all the engagement. We could not have been here if it wasn't for each and every one of us. And I so thank you. Now, today, we are at Dollar Tree in Union City, well, West New York, on 49th Street. In a place to be. Dina is the fabulous MC. Let's go. Dollar Tree has some amazing items. You know, when you come to Dollar Tree, you don't know where, I know where to look, but it's like so much going on. So many new items, so many new products, okay? Let's get into it. Now, Dollar Tree also have the cucumber cooling eye pads. We had seen these. Soothe and depuff infused with real cucumber extract. You get 6 pairs of these, $1.25. When I tell you this is a steal deal like Holyfield, honey, Dollar Tree is delivering, and that's words to the mother and the brother. Dollar Tree also have this moisturizing lip gloss, glossy finish from LA Colors, cruelty free. They have this one, and that one is clear. This one is like a glazed, okay? You see the glitter, you see the shine. Honey, get into it and don't drop the dime. Other items that Dollar Tree have when it comes to the lip gloss, they have this lip oil. Now, we had seen this. This is dragon fruit. They also have the pomegranate, and then they also have the grapefruit. These are $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree is straight up delivering for you and me. Now, Dollar Tree also had the vanilla sugar scent. Now, we smelled these before. This is inspired by Victoria's Secret. When I tell you that this Love Struck, honey, it smells just like Love Spell. If I'm lying, I'm flying. And last time I checked, honey, I ain't got no wings, okay? Now, they have the Love Struck. I noticed with this, okay, that the vanilla sugar scent, it normally goes really quick, okay? And then they also have the cherry blossom. So they have the cherry blossom, the vanilla sugar scent, everlasting love, and Love Struck. Okay, so 4 scents that they have, and these are body lotions, of course. Really good. Alright, so did you guys see this? The Nail Drying Drops with jojoba oil and vitamin E. Nail Drying Drops, $1.25. Honey, I never even heard of Nail Drying Drops. I can't make this up. Dollar Tree is going up on their prices, okay? Just FYI, just in case if you didn't know. Like, they breads, okay, are $1.50. So they letting you know right here, okay, bread and buns are $1.50, okay, and then they also have the bagels over here, which are $1.50 as well. So all the breads and the buns, the bagels are $1.50, FYI. Now, when it comes to these sponges, child, these sponges are so good. I had purchased a pack of these, I think it was like a month ago, the Nail Guard sponges, 6 you get for $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Absolutely love this. So if you are a person that's looking for like a whole bunch of sponges, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Now, they also have the 8-pack. This is a multi-purpose, durable pack of sponges for $1.25. All I know is steal deals, trills for real. That's all I know. That's all I know when I come to Dollar Tree. Steal deals, trills for real. And the person or the people that's behind bringing the merchandise in here, chill, honey, let me thank you. Okay, because you doing the thing like a chicken wing. Okay, I'm trying to tell you, you're doing the thing like a chicken wing. Honey, what really got me was that Elmhurst milk, that creamer. Now, that just did it for me. Okay, that did it for me, child. I'm in a place to be, I'm trying to tell you. Okay, now Dollar Tree got some amazing items. Honey, you want to stick around. I said, say what? So Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna give you not one lint roller, but we gonna give you 2. So Dollar Tree has the laundry essentials bonus travel lint roller, the travel size lint roller, and then they also have the regular lint roller for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 40 sheets extra sticky lint roller from Laundry Essentials, $1.25. They also have this one right here. This is 75 sheets lint roller. So whenever you are buying a lint rollers and you trying to distinguish the difference, always go based upon like the lines over here, or it'll be something up at the corner that'll tell you if it's 50 sheets, 75 sheets, and so on and so forth. 45 sheets, 25 sheets. Like the travel size lint rollers, 25 sheets. Okay, still deal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the quad chairs for the garden, honey, but you can take these to the beach. Come on now. Now, this is one match cup holder, easy folding storage, durable fabric. These are the chairs that we take to the beach. Okay, $9. This is a steal deal like Holyfield, because you know summer is literally tomorrow, child. $9 for these chairs. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, if you're a person that's looking for a surge protector and wall charger, Dollar Tree definitely is in a place to be. They have this slim dual USB surge protector and wall charger, charges up to 4 devices. This is $5. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. So you know the cover of the outlets, you know, in your home, if you change the cover, okay, it'll give you, and put this one on, it'll give you an outlet, okay, that charges devices up to 4 devices. I think this is a steal deal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the side window shade. We had seen this before. These are $5 universal fit with suction cup. Okay. They also have the 24K shielded USB Type-C to 8-pin max charge. This is $5. Gold plated premium connectors. They also have the lantern fan collapsible. These are $5. So Dollar Tree also have these Pro Air Racks. Okay, these are $5. Immersive bass, a captivating audio experience that envelopes the listener with deep, powerful bass. This is $5. Okay, and the only color they have, I believe, is black. Yeah, child, they only have black. Okay, built-in microphone, noise isolating, and immersive bass. They also have the LED shower speakers. These are $5. They come in about 4 different colors. They have the white, the pink, the blue, and also the gray. Family, let me know what was your favorite item. Now, you know mine was that Elmhurst. Okay, that milk, child. That was a steal deal. Now, if they had the milk as opposed to the little creamer, I definitely would have got that milk, because child, when I tell you that that is good in the neighborhood, okay, that is really good. Now, with that being said, I love you guys. Keep on going, keep on growing. Until next time.